So yeah, I'm at Okayama Castle. The weather is so good. I love the blue sky with the clouds. It looks so good on video and on pictures. And that might be the nicest castle. My favorite one so far was Matsuyama, and this one might be taking the cake. It's one of those that has been renovated a few times. That's why it looks pretty much brand new. But yeah, the mix of gold and black is very pretty. Okay, now I am inside Okayama Korakuen Garden, which is one of the top 3 gardens in Japan. I didn't go inside of the castle because all of this is closing at 5:30, and right now it's 4:15. And also, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of those castle. It's like a museum inside, and it's very busy, very narrow, and I've already done a few of them, so I like the outside, not a big fan of the inside. Another great day in Okayama. The castle, super cool. The garden, super cool. Very big, not a lot going on, but nice and peaceful. That's me for today. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna edit some more. Tomorrow is another big day, so I gotta rest up. I'm on my way to run 15 kilometers. It's gonna be a rough one. It's super hot right now, but I'm taking a train to go a little bit out of the city because all my latest runs have just been city. And I think it's a bit repetitive and it's not the most pleasant thing to look at. So yeah, taking a train to Kibi Plains. It's mostly a cycle path, but you can do it on foot as well. Well, I finished my run, but the closest train station to get back is the 1 hour walk away. So that's a little bit annoying, but I don't really have a choice, so I'm gonna be walking there now. I'm on my way to Pizza Hut. I got Pizza Hut for dinner. I'm more of a Domino's guy, but there is none near me. So I'm just walking 20 minutes, gonna grab the pizzas I ordered online. Me and somebody in the guest house had planned to potentially go out tonight, but we're both super tired. It's not a no yet, it's a maybe now, but we'll see. I got a bit of a walk to get the pizza. I'll probably eat it on the way back. But yeah, maybe I'm going out finally, but honestly, it's looking a bit unlikely. Not the plastic bag for the cardboard boxes. That's super cool. I can carry those pizza easily.